guys! It's your boy Kino. Join us in our traditional Visita Iglesia. So guys, we are here at our first station, St. Anthony de Padua Parish.
For the forgiveness of sins. I tell you, I will not drink this drink of the
So guys, right now we're gonna ride a jeepney to go to Paco. So guys, for our second station, we're here at Paco Catholic Church. So guys, we're gonna ride a jeep going to Santa Ana. Guys, we are here at the National Shrine of Our Lady the Abandoned for our third station. So guys, right now we're riding a jeep going to Paco Park. So guys, we are here at Paco Park Church for our fourth station. So guys, we're walking from Paco Park to Adamson. So guys, we are here at Adamson Church for our fifth station. So guys, right now we're gonna go to San Miguel inside Malacanang. So guys, right now we're at San Miguel Church for our sixth station. We shall not remain where we have have fallen, but learn and grow from it. So guys, we're gonna walk from St. Michael Church to St. Jude. So guys, we are here now at St. Jude Church for our 7th station. Serene helps Jesus carry the cross. So guys, we're at San Pedro Church for our 8th station. So guys, we're walking from San Beda to San Sebastian. So guys, we are here now at San Sebastian Church for our 9th station. Reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Matthew. When they So guys, we're walking from San Sebastian to the Holy Face of Jesus. So guys, right now we're here at the Holy Face of Jesus for our 10th station. So guys, we're walking from Holy Face of Jesus to Quiapo Church. So guys, we're here at Quiapo Church for our 11th station.
His mother, Sister Mary, the wife of David.
So guys, we're walking from Quiapo Church to Santa Cruz Church. So guys, we're here at Santa Cruz Church for our 12th station.
Because by your holy cross, you have redeemed the world.
My God, why have you deserted me? When some of those who stood there heard this, they said,
So guys, we're gonna ride the tricycle going to Intramuros. station. Adore you, O Christ, and because how much we love a person when he or she is already gone. Parang I want something to drink, guys. So guys, we're walking from Manila Cathedral to San Agustin Church. So guys, we're here at San Agustin Church for our 14th station.
The direction of our next Mary Magdalene and the other Mary went to visit the sepulchre. And where the angel of the Lord, descending from heaven, came and rolled away the stone. Visita Iglesia, and let us pray and reflect this Lenten season. Peace!